and welcome to MX Break's Lifestyle and Entertainment. Christmas is just around the corner, so get ready. It's a new day, it's a new week, and we are ready. Thankfully, we are here with all the updates on lifestyle entertainment. Let's get right into it. So, starting today, here's what we've got for you. Jamrock opened at Oak Plaza Hotel. Sarkodie announces Rapperholic ticket prices, and let's get right into it and see what's happening now. So, COVID is still very present, but December in Ghana has always been the place to be. So, Ghanaian President Nana Akufo-Addo shared his 20th address to the nation, stating that this time, Ghanaians should be the most careful. Christmas and parties are great, but we have a pandemic on our hands. The president stated that international borders are closed until further notice. But honestly, it seems as though everyone is already in the country. Cinemas, beaches, nightclubs will remain closed during the pandemic. So, I don't know about you, but try to find safe ways to have fun and meet with family and friends. Already, locals are not happy that despite COVID protocols, people have chosen to travel all the way to Accra, creating the usual December traffic. I mean, guys, stay home, stay safe, and keep it real. Now, do you know all the best places to eat? We've got you covered. Jamrock is an authentic Jamaican restaurant right here in Accra. Over the weekend, they launched their new location at Oak Plaza Hotel, right here in East Legon. Their new poolside location is an extension to the Oak Plaza Hotel. Kevoy had a chance to be there, so let's check that out.
Operation for the past few months. With our live reggae shows, we stopped it in March and then shut down the location end of September after a poor turnout of events with the COVID and all the economic impacts of COVID. But we looked at new business strategies and got into this beautiful working agreement with the Oak Plaza Hotel, and it's amazing. This place is amazing. It's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. If you haven't seen it, come check it out. Jamrock is open.
What can the people expect from the new Jamrock?
We got good food. We're moving closer into the intercontinental dishes. So you have Jam Caribbean fusion dishes. You have a pool area, lovely gardens, luscious green garden, and a gym as well. The rooms are amazing. Listen, come check it out. Jamrock at Oak Plaza. We are open every day. 7 a.m. to midnight.
You can come and jam and then do the place. You have to rock jam the place, you know. So I did my thing. Then, you know, Charlie, the vibe was massive. You know, they respond. You know, my people, Charlie, they do. Reggae music is a kind of genre that you can't be done with. You know, when somebody's jamming with reggae music, all you're gonna do is, hey, yeah.
We are free.
We are so happy that Jamrock has revived, and we are going to support Lizzie, and then hopefully it will take off again. So tonight I'm here with my big brother who's from Chicago with his wife, and we are having a wonderful time, and we hope to be coming back to support Jamrock.
I really enjoyed the performance here, and I mean, I'll give it all to my guys, especially Eric, who actually brought me to this place. And I mean, if this is going to continue, it's something that I would like to always participate in it.
And my first experience with Jamrock, and I love it. This is the exact vibe I've been looking for, and I cannot wait to eat my jerk chicken as well. So I'm very excited to be here. The rhythms are great, the people are great. I'm enjoying.
Gosh, guys, that looks amazing. Can you imagine? You know what? I think Jamrock is where I'm going to be. But speaking of December events, guys, Rapperholic is back. We all know that COVID is very present, but Ghanaian rapper Sarkodie refuses to let that stop him, but just change it just a little. Mainly, it's going to be a virtual concert, and it happens on Friday. However, limited tickets are also available for sale for those who wish to be present in the auditorium. Sarkodie announced the news on his social media as well as the breakdown for the prices and how to acquire the digital tickets. But fear not. We at MX24 are giving you a chance to win free tickets right into the auditorium. So look sharp and head over to MX24GH on all social media platforms and try your luck.
It's a beautiful. All right, guys. So finally, Rapperholic 2020 tickets are in. So check the information in the caption and grab yours now. See you guys soon. I'll put a bit pumping.
Now, 2020 is almost over, so people are getting for 2021. Ghana Music Awards USA has announced its readiness for the 2021 award show. The organizers of the annual Ghana Music Awards USA held a press soiree to provide relevant information about the award scheme. Speaking to the press conference, CEO of the scheme, Mr. Dennis Bafo, said that the main objective is to foster unity between the artists in Ghana and in America. He also assured the public that the award scheme is credible. Let's check that out.
No, okay. So briefly, next year, our call for nominations will be in January, the date to be also like some few days from or some few weeks from now, we will announce the call for nominations. And our like I said earlier, our nominee announcement will take place in Ghana, and that will be in March. That will be in March. And then we have a tour for some artists, which will begin in April, provided the COVID thing, dies down. We have a tour for some few artists, which we will announce very soon, just to, promote the event whilst we are touring. And then, the
3-day event.
Yes, the main event is actually on the 7th of August at Tropicana in New Jersey. This is one of the biggest hotels, you can Google it, this is one of the biggest hotels in New Jersey, one of the biggest casinos in New Jersey. So this is what we're going to have. It's like a festival. So it's a 3-day festival. The first day is on Friday, where the artists will fly in and people will come in. People will come in and interact with the artists, socialization, like a little party or a little club thing on Friday night. Then because it's a beach town, so they'll have like a beach party on Saturday morning from 10 to like 1 p.m. or 2 p.m. Then after that, in the evening, the red carpet starts at 7 p.m. So it's a whole weekend of festival. Then the next day, which is a Sunday, there are some Ghanaian churches around, and whoever want to go to church will go to church with them. Thank God for a successful event. And then there will be a fufu party, which we had this year. We do it every year. We did it this year, and we are going to continue doing that. We'll have a fufu party. Fufu party, sorry. We have a fufu party, and so we have a fufu party on the Sunday. It's a whole weekend of fun. Yeah. So you come and you have fun. So that's it. What? Yeah. So the ticket, very, very important. The ticket will come out right after the nominee announcement. Yeah, sure. Thank you.
And the good thing is, New Jersey, like the what's that name of that?
Atlantic City.
Atlantic City is not a typical Ghana, community. So most of the people that will come to the event will come either from out of state or far away. So it's easier for them because they will all come, lodge in their hotels, and be around. So we want to give them that experience, like being away from home for 3 days, 1 weekend, come with your friends, your family or something, and then come have fun. That's the idea.
Oh my goodness, that sounds amazing. Why am I more excited about a fufu party than red carpet. I don't know. I'm interested. So guys, this Friday is Christmas, and it's never too late to get gifts. But you know, sometimes shopping for people is a little bit difficult. So you can never go wrong with a few yards of beautiful African print fabric. For a guy or girl, you know, sew a dress, sew a shirt, everybody's happy. For you guys, you can pick up some fabrics at Woodin. If you shop at any Woodin store in Ghana, you stand a chance at winning a surprise for yourself. So buy a gift and get a gift. That's all I've got for you today. This was MX Bakes. My name is Zala, and I'll catch you guys in another episode. Bye.